Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. So if you guys are new to our channel, then please hit the like and subscribe button so you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of gold pair versus the US dollar from where we left off on Wednesday 17th of April at 1800 hours. Okay, so when I was discussing, market was trending over here at this point, which was approximately 2373, and I gave you major zones of resistance and support and minor zones of support and resistance, which are also called zone within the zones. Okay, so you guys can see that I mentioned this as a potential signal, but you guys can clearly see that the first trade that we would take after this closing, after market has tested our area of support, we would have hit our stop loss over here. But you guys can clearly see that after hitting one stop loss, then we hit the area again, and if we would have taken an entry from here, we would have made some intense profit till here, and once again market gave us another opportunity to buy from here, and we would have made some huge profit. So let me take these two entries for you guys, and let me show you that how much profit would these two trades would have given to us. Okay, and then I will mention it over here as well. Okay, so this will be the trade number one. Okay, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here 11.2% profit. Okay, which is huge. Okay, so let me mention it. Okay, so trades from 18th and 19th April 2024. Okay, so you guys can see that trade number one was trade one. We made trade one loss minus 1%. Trade 2 profit 11.2% over here. Okay, we always use the 1% equity in total. Okay, so this is 11.2%. Okay, and then afterwards another entry would be taken over here after market tested this area once again. So if we take this entry from here, approximately here, our stop loss would be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately till the highest point, which is over here, which gives us a 7.1% profit. So trade number three profit is 7.1%. Okay. Okay, let me mention it. Stop loss. Okay, so in these three trades were executed for our buying scenario. Now let us see that did any of our trade execute from the scenario of a selling perspective. Okay, let's see. So market went from here. Did it touch over here? No. So our sell trades, our sell entries from here were not activated, not even from the minor area. But now let's see that market broke past our minor resistance area and entered our major resistance zone, and you guys can clearly see that once market entered our major resistance zone, market made a clear rebound from here and went down all the way till here. And for the people who love trading just for the sake of trading, and as you guys know that they do not follow the rules of market in terms that they want to trade more, Okay, so this was a beautiful trade for them that would have given them a profit of approximately from here, and take profit will be okay. Okay, yes, so the take profit will be 1.8%. Okay, so trade number 4 profit is 1.8%. And after that, you guys can see that market went down, but market did not test our minor support as well. Instead, it tested our area of minor resistance, okay, over here. So you guys can see that once market tested our area of resistance and closed below, we could have taken a short position like this over here, and our take profit will be approximately over here, and this trade would have given us a take profit of 1.4%. Okay, so I am writing down these trades for you guys so you guys can understand that how to take an entry and how to take a trade. Okay, so to all the new traders who don't know how to take an entry, I am taking trades right in front of you guys that on the scenarios that I have already given to you guys in the previous video. Okay, in every video I do this practice in front of you guys so you guys can understand that how to take a trade. Okay, how we can take a trade and just not blindly enter anywhere. Okay, how to mark the support and resistance areas and how to follow those areas in term to make good profits. I always recommend that never risk more than 1% of your total equity and always only risk 1% total equity. And after that, when if the market goes in your favor, just start trailing your trade with a with a stop loss and keep following it until you see your take profit levels or you hit your target of 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, whatever you're targeting at. Okay, so my preference usually is to break even a trade when the trade has at least passed the 0.3% level in the favor of my trade. Okay, then I do not risk of losing that trade. Okay, I always break even that trade. I put my stop loss at the very price where I have taken the entry level. Okay, so even if the market bounces back, so that trade does not go back and give me a negative loss which is minus 1%, and instead it will either give me a break even or a profit. Okay, so that is why I add more security to my trade. Okay, so now let's see that any further trade is available. You guys can see that once again over here this is the ongoing trade. Okay, you guys can see that minor support is once again minor resistance area. This is the minor resistance, this is tested again, and market has closed below over here, so you guys can take an entry over here and this will be an ongoing trade. Your stop loss would be right above the previous candle. Okay, the previous high, the previous wick. Okay, and this will be a running trade, and you guys can see that you guys would have at least break even this trade because this trade is currently running at a 0.4% profit. Okay, so this trade would be at least at a break even level for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding the psychology that how to take an entry. And let me write this down. To trade number 6, I will not write it as a profit, I will just write it as a break even at 0.4% currently. Okay, so I hope that you guys can understand this market scenarios and understanding, and you guys can see that once again market re-entered our area of short-term resistance, the minor resistance zone, and after this closing as well, you guys can take another short position. Okay, so I hope that this information that I am giving to you guys will help you guys to take better trades. So now I will move forward these scenarios for the market of Monday. I will see you guys on Monday night. So let me move forward these scenarios for Monday, on which the date will be, I think, 20 second, I guess. Let me just recheck. On Monday, the date will be 22nd. Yes, I was correct. So let us go back to the full screen mode and let me just move these scenarios. Okay, let it be over here. Let me remove this circle for you guys, and let me yes, the major resistance zone and the major support zones are going to remain same. Okay, so let us move forward these scenarios. I have made all these key for entries once again for you guys. So if you guys have any trouble that how to take a trade, you guys can just simply follow these arrows, and the psychology is over here. I have made detailed videos on key for entries, that how to take an entry and how to take an exit, even though I tell how to take a trade and how to take an exit of every trade in my every video. Okay, so it moves over here currently. Okay, so let me just move these levels so you guys have a better idea. Okay, I am putting these levels on the minor supports instead, so you guys can understand that how to take these entries. Okay, instead of just oh, okay, just wait a second, let me move these as well. I forgot to pick those up like this. Okay, great. Okay, so if you guys do not understand anything, I am always available in the comment section, and so we will continue the discussion on Monday night from here. Today, I am closing this video on the Friday, 19th of April at 1900 hour candle, and I hope that you guys are gonna make good profit on Monday as well. I will see you guys, and happy trading. Always manage your risks and never take a risk of more than 1% in any trade that you are trading, and never get in a trade of low probability. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.